Hello YouTube, this is RS Chaos Master. I'm going to be doing a video I want to call Reestablishing My Dragon Ball Collection. So I've been buying some stuff on eBay and I wanted to show you what I got. Probably the most exciting thing that I'm going to be getting will be coming early next week, so look for a video up on that. And beyond that, I am selling Dragon Ball Z figures up on eBay. Look for my videos about those. Trying to think anything else? Nope, I think that's about it. So, the transformation version of SS Vegeta, it's even got his card in it. These are unopened. This is how they're going to stay. I'm not opening them up, probably never. They're for display, and this is the best way to display them. A transformation figure of Goku. It's got his card in the back too. Really nice looking figure. Don't have anything negative to say about this. And then, last but not least, Trunks. This is just an amazing looking Trunks. It's pretty awesome. It's his Super Saiyan form when he fought and defeated Frieza. Yeah, pretty sweet looking. So that's it for my single figures. But I've also got some Dragon Ball Z 2-packs here. First, Ultimate Struggles, Goku versus Frieza. Really nice looking. In pretty darn good condition too, for being, well, probably, what, at least 10 years old? Good versus Evil. SS2 Trunks versus Perfect Cell. Brother versus Brother, Nail and Piccolo 2-pack. Dragon Ball Z Budokai 2 SS3 Goku versus Kid Buu. Pretty much I've been trying to get a 2-pack for each of the sagas of Dragon Ball Z. I'm really close, but I'm not quite there yet. But yeah. Here's this one. This one, the father and son, Goku and Gohan 2-pack. I definitely like this one a lot. Gohan and his, well, he's younger. This is probably right before he goes Super Saiyan. This would probably be his hyperbolic time training. Or it could even be his Android Saga, but I think it's hyperbolic time training. And then the legendary battles, Gohan versus Raditz. I'm trying to locate the Alien Invasion or Alien Invaders Vegeta versus Nappa 2-pack. Or sorry, Vegeta and Nappa 2-pack. I haven't had any luck yet. I have the father and son Bardock and Goku 2-pack coming next week, so I'll be posting the video up on that. I think that might be about it for what I'm going to buy. I might look into getting the King Cold and Trunks 2-pack, but I'm not really that worried about getting that one. The Vegeta Nappa one, though, I definitely do want. If any of you have it and want to sell it, contact me, but otherwise, that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, I am selling Dragon Ball Z single figures up on eBay. They are opened, which is why I'm not keeping them. But yeah, other than that, we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye.